I am Rishi and this is a gesture control robot. As the name suggests, gesture control robot, so the bot makes its movement according to the gesture of your hand. For example, if you move your hand toward the right, it will move toward the right, and if you move your hand toward the left, it will considerably move toward the left, and so on. So it actually uses wireless communication, and one of the modes of the wireless communication that we used in our project is RF module. RF module consists of a receiver and a transmitter, but for making the movement of the bot, we have used an encoder and decoder kit. So basically, what is the use of an encoder and decoder kit? Its use is to encode the data, and at the receiver's end, it decodes the data through a decoder, and the decoded data goes through the.
Hi, this is Gaurav, and I want to tell you about this gesture control robot. It uses RF technology, which involves accelerometer sensor. Accelerometer is basically a device which gives space coordinates of that particular point in the space. Then we get XYZ coordinates from it. Then we have one transmitter and one receiver. We have pair of matching resistance of 1 mega ohm and 56 kilo ohm.
चल स्टार्ट कर ले
एलसीडी भी लगा देते। रिमोट तो देख ले, केवल कार कोई देखेगा बस।
ये सही है। अब कुछ तो चेंज कर। हाँ, आगे तो बढ़ा।